Ia success manani bagoi tamata problem face ma khai challenge problem failure Chini je universe chong ebar ungkha ang playba tol mangkha ang he dui arai boshor ageo je manifest khaimani Hello, welcome back to my channel. Tini kisah kok sana Chini Borog trust, believe, success no longer. So let's start the video, guys.
I grew up in a poor family. My father drank a lot, so we didn't have much money. My mother worked cleaning other people's houses, and I tried to help by sweeping the streets. But no matter how tough things were, I always dreamed of becoming a great footballer. One day, my father looked at me and said, "You'll never make it." That really hurt me. But my mother, she believed in me. She told me, "I believe in you. You're going to make history." Those words stayed with me, but life wasn't easy. I remember as a child, I saw a pair of shoes I really wanted, but we couldn't afford them. A few days later, before I left for a tour with Portugal, my mother gave me a gift. I thought it might be those shoes, but when I opened it, it was my old, worn-out shoes, stitched up because she couldn't buy me new ones. That moment broke my heart, but it also gave me strength. I promised myself I wouldn't let my mother's sacrifices be for nothing. I worked harder than ever, and now I've made history just like
Chung Borog shala kaise bai success mania kisa khai double khai pore hard work khai ne pore se chung success mani ageo chini icha chini expectation tatong so omnagi chung manai no to chini expectation ni bising go se chini je idea phai mind dayo so idea na lagu se chini focus rothai chini idea success manani bagoi tamata problem face ma khai challenge problem failure obstacles delays stress then success nung ni jini porono must be nung believe ma khai no nung sudo bakabai success mani mochogo hinile ungala so apna nini mind dayo nini no success mani bagoi nini mind dayo nung apna visual khayo reality dayo reality e chini je life ni e jogoro nung barai khai apna lago focus kai kam khai so amomo depend khai nung je jaga success mani mocho khai amola yar chola kai sako ungoi thanya khaite lama dayo nung nini ama unsuccessful ungoi tongna unsuccessful ungoi tongkhai nung kabang ma failure ungala de jora roko taimo nini ro kabang ma mind dayo nung irritating unna overthinking bisi khaina nung lazy unna mood swing unna confused ungoi tongo je bo chung bakaka omo chini success unje je bo khai kaina chung ageo be positive ma tongo first ungkha omo chung jodi be positive tongo positive thinking khayo hinkai pura chini je universe chong mane brahmanda bisho brahmanda je brahmanda amnalai chung nongoi maya tum flebo me ta visual no nini oichang nini je mind tong nang je manifest khai ka je amna positive khai thinking khai ka je amna success of thokinai nini oichang se amna tobo ni mane nini amna nini koreyo se no tobo nai jinis success only bagoi positive first positive thinking khai kai chini amna chungje bo bakaka tabu ang bakaka je Arke positive just suppose ang sado tabang jadi bakal je ani YouTube tayo 1 lakh subscriber ungkha ang play button mangkha ang happy enjoy kaya moment khaika ko family ba ko celebrate khaika amte khaya ang jadi be positive thinking khai tumbo hikai khai tumbo hikai nini chin positive khaika je focus rogoi nung je amna mind tayo chinta khaika amon nini mind tayo tokha if nung mind dayo to hinkai abna nung like ang omne focus khaina amo umthok amo grow khaini babai aro chingro grow khaini babai o jaga ni mindset focus ro yang kam khaijang no positive tung jang na you never know ongoi thana kai be positive ma thongo rong ni demotivate kisa bisi ongoi thango mane mani opinion play mane motivate komo chung motivate chi bisi ongoi thango because chung you wow dayo to 이 저걸 다이었던 거 지금 사중래 동야 지금 아시파시 가보면 엄대 할 보록 동거 것도 보록 아라이 사고 우라이 사고 패밀리 히노 콜로 사포트야 솜니 바고이나 정 보러라고 베시 모티베이트 니나요 디모티베이트 비시 온 거에 단거 그 디모티베이트 온 가 একদম just time 다요 니네 마인 다요 능 아무나 마터너제 아니 골스톤 앙제보 카이니 히자 엄나 마세 마카이나 Mani nung ni jina absolutely po every post of the haya mani nung ni jina asak shotton ni tilang de asak post redi je ni ni yam dayo nong apno mokal bai nong success no nung khan na toy opti kosen দেখুন আংলাই কোনো অন্তে জ্ঞানী গবেষক বিশেষজ্ঞ অন্তে কৌশলিয়া কিসা जों आनि subject rogo जों परिमा खायजा boy rogo so जों philosophy subject rogo bichini burungni life ni lagoi mind no lagoi psychology no lagoi so morong kisa pore phaisa humanities no lagoi all everything kisa ang si the experience to ani life of tabok omno lagoi sang no bai to share khayo anlai ta ani koro khana hoi no kisa motivate ma tho Amna sana so amnang tabok sana ang je dui arai boshor agio je manifest khaimani ani channel la ang ani hard working by ani video by ani content by ani editing by churuk ang self ang khai ang monetize khaini hinai ang manifest khai tongja sang je bo manifest khai tongmani kisa time daily lai ong khapne kisa wait khai lai hoi ong khat ta bo kisa gotana sai khana raga no ojarawa ang kisa time rogo dui arai boshor age ani channel la monetize khaini bagoi ang boosting khaini nai ja boost khai taratari monetize lani mujugoi so monetize khaini bagoi takai ka ang boosting khaini bagoi try khaika but omo only ang birat upset thang sakha only hinoi omo kisa boosting khaimani bo AdSense omo kisa problem ong khaple so only ne bakakao je ya play bongi timing by ani timing ni lai ya tang birat upset nang jakha birat upset nang jakha asok ja upset nang jakha ekdom bakabayam pura chi khaika pura ji kakha je ang ani Pamela boosting khai se khai lanai he ora lai kono no time bo mangala bo boosting khai kai lai also time ni bisi 2 din ni bisi ko ba 4 days 5 days ni bisi ko nang khaya ga nang je boosting khai na yo ma thangoi payo out oi payo nang organic ya to abo boosting on ni ba ko to apse nang ja kha only jet lai nang kha thamchi bo ka kha ni chi yo poro ta khai ka poriyo mane ato mind by to be positive khai ka eto struggle khai tongo video khai khai chini bangande someday situation ong kha ang bom na lago jebo kisa viral topic ong kha ba chini situation sudu viral sa hambai jotona gantung di chuluba success ong to success mantok milti ho agle next vlog में मेरा प्यार bye bye